Hello, this is Warren Brown. Welcome to the Positive Perspective Life Coaching Podcast. Today, I will speak about how you can make your dreams come true. You have been waiting for your dreams to come true for so many years, but you have been met with disappointment. Now, suddenly, like a bolt out of the blue, you have got a new job, a new home, you've met your soulmate, you have a family, and you are where you want to be. What do you do next? If you are someone waiting for your dreams to come true, then you need to do a few simple things to make them materialize. Nothing comes out of thin air, except water when two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen under certain atmospheric conditions. But we do not want to make water in life. There is enough around for now. Instead, you would like to create a successful life for yourself and your family. You can start by making a list of exactly what success means to you. Write down a few things which you feel that once you have would make you a successful person. Success does not mean the same thing to two different individuals. One person may feel that working in one job for the whole of his or her life is being a success in life. Another person may feel that being the owner of her own enterprise would make her feel a success in life, while another individual may feel that working in a foreign country would be to live a successful life, even if employed in an ordinary career. What are your dreams and how do you define success in your life? Once you have a list of what success means to you, you will know clearly in your mind what to strive for, and you will discover how to achieve your success while fulfilling your dreams. What do you do after your dreams come true? My answer would be to dream a bigger dream. I do believe that whatever the mind can conceive, the individual can achieve. Thank you for listening.